Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from One Tech Stop. And a few days ago I received the Pixel 5a 5G as a gift from Google. And this is it right here. And today, as I got home from work, I received 3 cases from Mobile Fun UK. And if you don't know who Mobile Fun UK is, I'll leave a link below. But they've been around for a while and they basically have all of your mobile needs. Just go check them out. And I'll also leave a link below in the description for each case that they sent me. So let's start one by one. The first case I have here, it's an Elixir premium smartphone case, and it's called the Elixir Nova Shield Pixel 5a bumper case. See if you can see that. So we're going to take it out of the case, and it has a nice clear back. And what I like about the clear back is that you could actually show off the colors of your phone. Now we know that the Pixel 5a is only one color, and I have a Pixel 4a right here just to show you that I put a skin on it. Pixel 4a is almost the same exact size, so if you put it in, you'll see that the color shines through and it fits pretty nice together. But let's put the actual Pixel 5a in and see how it works. So it fits it perfectly. As you could see, the Pixel 4a actually didn't fit the camera cutout exact. So it's perfect for the fingerprint scanner. Camera lens is there. It's raised. So if you lay it down, they have lips on each side, in the front and in the back. So you're not going to scratch the camera lens or the screen, whichever way you lay it down. It covers the volume rocker and the power button. It has ports for the speakers, the USB-C. Nothing on this side because there's obviously nothing on that side of it. It has hole punch for the 3.5mm jack and the microphone. It feels nice in hand. It's not slippery. It gives ample protection. The rubber feel is pretty solid. It's a case I would definitely use. And as I said, I'll leave a link below for you to, if you're interested in purchasing it, to pick it up. But this is the Elixir 5a bumper case, and I like it. So let's put this one aside. We'll go to the next case that they gave us. It's the Sentinel, Elixir Sentinel case and glass and screen protector. So it comes with a screen protector and the case. So we'll open it up. You'll see you get the cleaning wipe, the cloth to dry it and dust it, and obviously I think you have the stickers to pull the dust off of the case. This is the tempered glass screen protector. I'll show it to you real quick. Here it is. We'll put that aside. And this is really pretty much like a carbon fiber case. It has grips over here and over here. Seems like it covers the device pretty well, but let's check it out in real time. So once again, it has raised buttons for the volume. Fingerprint works well. Volume works well. Power button all work very well. Cutouts for all the ports. Also a raised lip, so you could put your phone down. As you can see, raised here. You won't scratch the camera lens or the front of your screen. Very nice case. Fits it like a glove. Feels good in the hand. It's a rubberized feel. It has like little ridges on the back, so it's not smooth or slippery. And I definitely recommend it to go check it out if you like it. Also, the back has like a nice little diamond cut design. Feels very nice. It says the ultimate experience Pixel 5a. The last case we have here looks pretty nice. It's a 4-card detachable wallet. And what it does is actually, let me open this up and check it out. So the case in itself looks a little bulky, but what it's trying to do is eliminate the extra bulk that you have in your pocket. So for example, this piece actually slides right off. You can see it slides in by this little grip. It has like almost like a not Velcro, a velvety feel. This is more almost like an imitation leather type feel on the back. Case is rubberized, all the cutouts, as you can see, it has this extra protection for falls right on the corners, which is very nice. Let's see how the case fits the phone. And once again, fits it very well. You can see raised by the camera lens, fingerprint scanner, easy to access, buttons for the volume, and the power work well. Openings, once again, ample space to put a USB-C in. Speakers are there, microphones there, 3.5mm jack here. And let's see if this works as it says. You're supposed to be able to fit 4 cards in. I'm going to check it out right now. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Take these 4 cards. I'm going to slide it in here. That's 3. Here we go. 4. And I don't know if you could see, it has like a little spandex over here. So you might be able to reach. So you might be able to possibly put 5. But 4 feels snug enough. And you just slide it back on. You have your phone here. It's not that bad, not that bulky. But it seems convenient if you don't want to take your wallet with you. You take your credit cards or whatever kind of cards you want. Slides right off, slides right on. And this, once again, is called the 4-card detachable wallet. You get it at Mobile Fun UK. And this is Lenny Bonds signing off from One Tech Stop. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, follow us, and like us. And once again, thank you for watching.